Hey everybody, so it's October 15th, 2023. It's been roughly 5 days now since Microsoft has ended servicing of Windows 11 21H2. What this means is if you're still running Windows 11 21H2, you will be basically forced to upgrade to Windows 11 22H2 or the upcoming 23H2 in order to receive updates. Well, there's a catch there. If your computer, of course, does not meet the Microsoft EliteClass Message requirements for Windows 11, your computer may not receive any updates because, well, computer is not supported because it is not EliteClass enough for their system requirements. So here we have a system that definitely does not meet Microsoft's EliteClass system requirements for Windows 11. This machine has an AMD A6 6420K APU, so bingo, system requirements not met. It currently has Windows 11 21H2 loaded on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start this up. It would definitely help if I plug in the Ethernet connection. So we'll start this up. We'll run Windows Update. We'll see if it will find any updates, and we'll see if now that given Windows 11 21H2 is no longer receiving support, if maybe, just maybe, a system not meeting the EliteClass system requirements, which is my nickname for the Windows 11 minimum system requirements, will receive an update to 22H2, which I kind of doubt it will, but we're going to try it anyway just to see. So to put this in perspective, I shot a video about a week ago on the same subject. However, I never posted it to YouTube because, well, we know what the end result was. Well, you probably would know. You would probably be able to guess. But look at this. Look how nice this machine runs Windows 11. This is why I call the Windows 11 minimum requirements the EliteClass system requirements. Because back in 2021 when Windows 11 came out, computers that were sometimes only 3 years old, or in some cases only 3 years old, would not be eligible for the upgrade without using a hack such as Rufus. So once this thing gets in, we'll go ahead and start Windows Update. Alright. Of course, machine's not going to be the fastest in the world, but I think it runs pretty well considering what it has. Alright, so let's look at about real quick. We are currently running Windows 11 Pro 21H2. And there's our specs. AMD A6 6420K APU. 4 gigabytes of memory. And we have it's either 240 or 256 gigabyte solid state drive in here. Let's go to Windows Update. And it's going to check for updates. I'm also curious to see if it'll provide any sort of advisory stating the computer is no longer getting updates. That'd be something interesting to see, but we're going to let this thing download these updates, and we'll come back in a moment after it installs them and check again. Okay, so I just restarted the system, and let's have a look and see what else is available to download and update. It claims we're up to date. Okay, so it's downloading a Microsoft Defender antivirus update, but really, to be honest, at this point, I do believe if you're running Windows 11 21H2 and your system does not meet the Microsoft EliteClass requirements for Windows 11, also known as the Windows 11 minimum system requirements, you will in fact have to manually upgrade to at least 22H2. Now 23H2 is going to be an enablement package, and I've already found that for example, Moment 4 features are actually downloading and installing on my other systems here that don't meet the EliteClass system requirements. So we'll have to wait and see. Maybe if you have 22H2, you might get 23H2 without having to do a in-place upgrade installation like you used to have to do with going from 21H2 to 22H2. So that's what it seems to be. So kind of figure that's what it's going to be, but I figured I'd make this video just to see for sure. One more thing I do want to mention is I find this a bit concerning, is the fact that this machine, of course, does not meet the minimum requirements for Windows 11, and it's not getting updated to the next feature build. Why is there no message at all within Windows here stating your computer does not meet the minimum requirements and therefore will not automatically receive the new Windows 11 feature build? I mean, it's kind of ridiculous. I mean, the fact that there are computers out there, of course, not meeting minimum requirements that probably were sold to somebody, and they're not receiving updates, and that could leave certain machines vulnerable. And there's also this scenario that you could have a computer that would meet the minimum requirements. For example, if TPM was turned on or something like that. I mean, there is the rare possibility of a computer that came pre-installed with Windows 11 not meeting the requirements of Windows 11. It could happen. And the thing is, the system simply would not receive the update. There'd be no notice or anything like that. Just everything acting like everything's fine and dandy, yet in the background you're getting blocked from receiving a feature build. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.